Hi everyone, it's Sorkan. Today we have a problem when we are given an integer n. For example, in this case, n is equals to 14. And what we need to do is, if it's even, we are dividing that by 2. If it's odd, we are subtracting 1. And we do that until n is equals to 0. So how we are going to solve this problem? We are going to solve this problem using a bit manipulation. So for example, in this case, the bit representation of 14 is 1110. So what we do is we are checking that if it's even, we are checking the least significant bit, which is the rightmost bit, right? If it's equals to 0, so which means that we are just right shifting that, right? So, and if it's odd, then it means that again we are checking the least significant bit, we are checking the rightmost bit. If it's 1, then in that case we are flipping the last bit. So for example, in our case, what we do is we are checking the here, right, while our num is not equals to 0. So what we do is we are checking the least significant bit, and if that equals to 0, so which means that it's even, so we are right shifting, and we are right shifting. If it's not, then it means that it's odd, then in that case we are flipping the last bit, and then we are, for each step, we are adding that to our steps, so we are incrementing our steps, and at the end we are returning that the number of steps that it took us to convert that number to 0. The time complexity is log n, because at each step we are going to divide our array to 2, and the space complexity is of 1 because we are not using any extra space. Okay, I also have identical solution in Java. I will add that into description. That's it for today. Hope you like my content. If you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. See you next time. Bye.